Rush, you living rough out here, man. Lost 3 Pollo. They got the other one over there off of Broadway in LA. You know where I'm at. You know where I'm at. Look at that bomb. Look at Walmart. They don't play, boy. Walmart wasn't never like that. Walmart look like a whole supermarket outside now. You understand me? Boy, I tell you. They not playing out here. They setting up shop. Every corner. Wherever there's people, wherever there's business and revenue, setting up shop. Get to the money. And y'all can't complain about, but that's the thing about black people. Y'all can't say nothing. Get y'all money though. That's why y'all, man, you do it. But we do it, we gonna still do it. We gonna do it. Make it be known if y'all do it and they come trip on y'all. But if you wanna get out there and do it, do it. Get your money like everybody else. Go set up. Whatever you, but my main thing, a lot of y'all have y'all credentials right, because all you gotta do is go down to the city hall, get you a seller's permit, whatever your food handling, get all your permit, get stuff that you need so they can't bother you. If you want to deal with food, get your food handling permit. You know what I mean? That's what it's about. You want to bring revenue, you want to get some money, you know what I'm saying? That's what you got to do. Cause I was finna get over, but you can't get over. You can't get over like that. They should have been in the other lane any damn way. You know what I mean? You know you was turning, you should have been over the other lane. Anyway. You know? But we going to the cruise thing right now, man. But like I say, man, you know, we got the 4th of July coming up. You know, y'all be safe with them fireworks. You know what I mean? Be safe with them fireworks, you know. Because, you know, we done had a lot of accident with them fireworks, man. A lot of stuff done occurred because of them fireworks. You know? And we trying to make it right. So, if them low riders ain't this way, they should be deep down this way. Got the address, but you know, Lakewood. This is more Lakewood back here. You know, back that way is Bellflower. Yeah. McDonald's. They got a Ziggy's coffee. That's new. Yeah, that's hella new. Let's get down here. Boy, that's clean. Ooh, that's clean. My man, that was clean. You don't know if them lowriders on this corner. We looking for the rider. So one of these streets right here, somewhere like this. Classic truck. I just saw the blue halo lights on, so that's why I popped it on. Classic Chevy truck. Man, we going from corner to corner, just checking out stuff, corner to corner, man. Looking for the low riders, man. No, they ain't in that one. That's the gym lot over there. Look at that old Corvair right there. I see some trucks up in there. I don't know if that's the spot, but I see a bunch of little like trucks or some truck. But the police up in there too, so they look like they policing or some old stuff, bro. They got the Jeep. I got the Jeep crew. Boy, they got the Jeep crew up in here. Boy, look at the Jeep crew. So they see me. That damn light, man. We got the Jeep crew up in here, though. Boy, they got the Jeep crew. So, what they congregating for? What they got congregating right here for? In these Jeeps? I don't know. But, like, man, you know, we supposed to be going for the lowriders, and I stumbled up on this. You know what I'm saying? Let me take a few up high shots. Take a few up shots there. Jeeps. Off-road. Off-road content, y'all. Man, like, they doing their thing, boy, like, it's off-road. So yeah, man, I stumbled up on this off-road event right here. You know, they got these Jeeps going on. I can go talk to them and see what's happening. Because I supposed to go to the lowrider thing, but we see what's cracking right here.